Installing Tor on Kali Linux. Open terminal. Maximize it. Control Shift plus R. Type the command sudo apt-get install Tor browser launcher. Click on enter. Open Tor browser. -launcher. Click on enter. If you get an error like this, the Tor browser should not run as a root existing. Click on OK. Open files. Home, local, share, Tor browser, tbb, xi, Tor browser. Here is the file, bash file, start Tor browser. Open with text editor. Any text editor you want to edit it. I am going to open with the text editor. This is my error I got. Just replace the 0 to replace the 0 with 1. Control S to save the file. Close it. Close it. Open terminal. Type the same command tor browser-launcher. Click on enter. It will launching Tor browser. That's it. Just close the. I'm going to close it. I'm going to show again if it was open it on a terminal or not. Just close the Tor browser. This is the clear all command. Close. Open the terminal again. Maximize it. Type the same command. See here, launching our Tor browser again. Just connect it. Type the command Tor browser check .tor project. .org. Click on enter. That's it. Thank you for watching.